What's up, everybody? This is Jacob with Nature Boy Grooming, and boom, this video is all about our raw black soap. Now, this raw black soap is the authentic soap of Ghana, also known as African black soap, and it is the soap that we chose to supply to not only cleanse the face, but also the beard. It's the only soap I've used on my face for the past 4 years, I say, and it has worked very, very, very well for the beard that I wear. So in this video, I'm going to go over briefly why we use it, how to use it properly, and how to make it last longer. So this black soap right here is all natural. It's made out of plantain skin, cocoa pod ash, palm kernel oil, and water. So the ingredient list is very small, but it's very, very, very effective. Oftentimes, you'll read about the black soap, and in most cases, you'll get great reviews that you'll see. And every now and then, you may hear somebody say that it dries their skin out or it dries their hair out. And that's what actually inspired me to make this video, because it's worked great for me, and a lot of people that get it from us have had great experiences with it. Reason being, you only need to use it once when you're cleansing in most cases. Oftentimes with natural soaps, we get tempted to use it twice or run 2 passes through your face or through your hair, but the cleanser is very effective and you only need to use it once. So I'm going to demonstrate really quick on my face and on my beard how I use it, and also a tip to make it last longer. And that tip simply is, when you unpack your soap, naturally you'd be tempted to lather the entire bar, but in actuality, what you want to do is take a piece and break it off. So you save the rest of your bar, you take a piece about this big, and you lather this up, and this little piece alone will lather up very well. And I'm going to show you right now. So for starters, I'm going to be quiet because I'm doing a lot of talking, and I'm going to dampen my beard. Then I'm going to lather this up, and I'm going to show you how well this natural soap lathers. And then I'm going to wash through my beard so you see it in action. I'm going to do that right now. So I got this spray bottle to make it easy. My face. You know I am in the bathroom. All right. Bar is wet. Watch. They say natural soaps don't lather well. Well, you see it. Boom. And it's already lathered. I just wet it just to make it lather a little more. I want to go ahead and apply it into my beard, mustache. Can't forget the stash. Very important to get the skin. and I'm gonna rinse. Be right back. So yeah, that's it. The beard is nice and clean. It feels good. Feels really good. And again, you really only need one pass. If you'll find that if you do two passes, if you double wash, then your beard will start to feel a little too clean, and that's a little much for my liking personally, but it works very well on that one attempt. Just do it well, and I don't tend to let it sit too long. I tend to just wash it, get it done, and rinse it out. And I don't wash my beard every day. I do rinse it, but I don't wash it because overwashing with any soap or any beard wash will overstrip or strip the beard of its natural oils. So I just I wash maybe about twice a week, but of course I wash my face every day, and I'll just wash the skin and wash around the beard. And when I demonstrated this time, I applied the lather directly to my face. Sometimes I'll wipe the soap on the rag and then wash, but I don't wipe the soap bar directly on the skin because that is the authentic raw African black soap. And sometimes there's small fragments of cocoa pod ash, which is one of the key ingredients in the soap. And I just wouldn't want to rub that fragment of ash on my skin. Just because it took a lot of work to get my skin as clear as it is, and I wouldn't want to scratch it. But that's it. That's it in a nutshell. And it is always good and recommended to follow with the beard conditioner, which I'll show you in another video. That's key after cleaning it to make sure that it's nice and soft and that that hydration stays in the beard longer. So yeah, that's it for now. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. We are starting on our YouTube page and we're starting to add more videos and grow it. So please stay in tune. There's a couple of the videos that we already have up on protecting the beard as well as cleaning your beard comb and your beard brush. So that is it. Until next time, this is Jacob with Nature Boy Grooming, and thank you for tuning in. Peace.